Explore the 2025 Toyota Hiace comprehensive review. Join us as we explore the all-new 2025 Toyota Hiace, a versatile and reliable vehicle designed for both commercial and personal use. This latest iteration of the Hiace promises improved performance, advanced technology, and enhanced comfort, making it an ideal choice for businesses and families alike. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the automotive world. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Toyota Hiace stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Toyota Hiace features a modern and robust design that emphasizes functionality and style. The front end is equipped with a bold grille and sleek LED headlights, offering both an aggressive look and improved visibility. The streamlined bodywork and aerodynamic design enhance fuel efficiency while giving the Hiace a contemporary appearance. From the side, the Hiace displays clean lines and a practical sliding door that provides easy access to the interior. The high roofline ensures ample headroom, and the sturdy build highlights its durability. At the rear, the Hiace is fitted with large LED taillights and a wide-opening tailgate, making loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Interior features and comfort. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Hiace, and you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin designed for maximum comfort and utility. The interior features high-quality materials and a practical layout, with durable upholstery and ample storage compartments. The front seats are ergonomically designed and adjustable, providing comfort for long drives. The rear cabin is versatile, with configurable seating arrangements to accommodate passengers or cargo. For passenger models, the Hiace offers plush seating with ample legroom and headroom. The climate control system ensures a comfortable environment, while the large windows provide excellent visibility and natural light. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Toyota Hiace is equipped with the latest technology to enhance your driving experience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. This system offers intuitive controls for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The Hiace also features a premium sound system that delivers clear audio throughout the cabin. Additional tech features include multiple USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information. The advanced GPS navigation system ensures you stay on the right track, making your journeys more efficient and enjoyable. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Hiace offers a choice of engines to suit different needs. The standard engine is a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering robust performance with excellent fuel efficiency. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a powerful yet economical driving experience. The Hiace's suspension system is designed to provide a comfortable ride, even when carrying heavy loads. The vehicle's stability and handling are top-notch, ensuring a safe and smooth drive in various conditions. The Hiace also boasts impressive towing and payload capacities, making it ideal for both commercial and personal use. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Hiace comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety systems include Toyota Safety Sense, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The Hiace also features a rear-view camera and parking sensors, making maneuvering easier and safer. Additionally, the Hiace offers advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. The robust construction and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection for all occupants. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in every aspect of the Hiace, making it a reliable choice for transporting people and goods. Trim levels and customization. The 2025 Toyota Hiace is available in several trim levels, each offering a unique set of features and customization options. From the base model with essential features to the top-tier trim with luxury and advanced tech, there's a Hiace for every discerning driver. Customization options include various exterior colors, interior trims, and accessory packages, allowing you to personalize the Hiace to match your style and needs. Available options include premium seating, enhanced audio systems, and advanced driver assistance packages. Toyota also offers a range of genuine accessories, such as roof racks, tow bars, and cargo organizers, to further tailor the Hiace to your lifestyle. In conclusion, the all-new 2025 Toyota Hiace redefines the commercial vehicle segment with its modern design, advanced features, and reliable performance. Whether you're using it for business, as a shuttle, or for family trips, the Hiace promises to deliver unmatched versatility and comfort. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Hiace. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know which features of the Hiace you are most excited about. Your feedback is important to us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars and automotive trends. We bring you detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest news in the automotive world. Your support helps us create more high-quality content just for you. Until next time, drive with confidence and style.